Oh, have we got another unboxing for everybody. Isn't this the coolest? Oh, it's a cool song, but again, we just breathe. Yes, we get it, breathe. Okay, no more copyright strike threats. We have got not one, but two little boxes from the Boffins over at Ectolabs in the UK. Yeah. So the proprietor there, Dave, made this kit, which is amazing. Oh, yeah. That thing is so cool. There we go. Look at it. It's badass. What do we have in this box? Crunch. You've earned it. I like the theme of everything. Your order number always starts with JL5. Nice little touch there. That, like I said, the level of pedantry is appreciated. Ooh, you got one. What did we get this time? I'd like to maybe save one of these stickers. Okay. We tore a sticker. There's a sticker down. Okay. Let's see what we get here. I did mention how much I love the stickers. Like, it's a nice little touch. I was like, it just adds to the experience. What do we have here? We have a Cathmax 2. So, what's in here? Ooh. Thank you, Dave. You know, I made a particular point to compliment his. There you go. Are you the gatekeeper? That's a cool thing. Is that a sticker? That's a sticker. Oh, thanks, Dave. And you got one. That's the one I wanted. And what's it? Oh, he even gave me a crunch sticker. That's a cool dude there. That's a cool dude. Here's his little business card. That's the mood slime. The other cards are green for the regular slime. I got a green card in my last order. I like the cards too. It's just lovely. So, Dave, thank you for my beer fridge basement stickers. I just said I liked all the stickers. You know, it's like, if you could throw one in, maybe. He's like, yeah, sure, no problem. This was a fight to get online. This was the battle of the F5 key reflexes. Because every time he puts up an order for something, they get snapped up in minutes. Not even minutes. I don't even know how long. It was like seconds. Let's put on some different colors here. There we go. A little pinky. So this is the Cathmax leg hose set. This is the Ghostbusters 1 style, as is most of the things I'm interested. It's generally Ghostbusters 1. At some point, maybe I'll do a GB2 thing, but I have a true spec, less than ideal, flight suit, and I'm going to get it tailored, because the thing fits like a sack of potatoes. So this is just lovely stuff. I mean, beautiful. And look at this. Hard plastic. Look at this. There's mechanicals going on in here. Okay, so it is a very high quality 3D print. You could feel the striations from the filament on the inside. And we've got this little bit. So this is unique among all of the leg hoses that I've ever seen, is that you have this part that sews on to your flight suit. And that way you wash it, preferably inside out, because you're going to have patches on it too. Wash it inside out, and that way this, you're not beating this thing up in the dryer. And this goes on, clicks into place. So you're completely hidden. And then you could just do a few decorative stitches around these holes here. And if we want to compare, not calling them out or anything, this is just what's available on a fan site. It is a cast silicone rubber. Very durable, the silicone rubber. Probably wouldn't be bothered in the washing machine whatsoever. But yeah, you sew it directly on, and that's that. And it's fine, The color, it's a little different. He went for a middle ground on this, I think, between GB1 and GB2 style, so it kind of will fit in either way. Definitely different design, lower profile as far as the mounting flange. It's got the little zip tie on it, more movie accurate. People just add a zip tie to this or crazy glue it. And then the leg hose has a magnet, and that's a good positive connection. But if you're walking around a Halloween party and some idiot catches your leg hose or you walk into something, boom, it'll just pop out and not try to rip the threads out of your flight suit. Let's change colors again. There we go. This thing's so fun. So that's nice. It rotates beautifully smooth. There's no resistance. So as you're moving around, that's going to be fine. The other end has this lovely little plug. And this little guy that will clip right into the little tiny holes on the gun belts. And then the hose is really nice as well. The hose is a fairly beefy hose, and it's got this slightly frosted finish to it. And here's the leg hose I had floating around from a fan site store, which is fine. You know, like they're pretty similar hoses. You know, this is a little squishier. This is definitely a stiffer, thicker walled hose. Don't know if that makes a difference, good or bad, but this will easily kink, and this takes a lot more effort to kink. So yeah, beautiful. That's the Cathmax set. There's minimal instructions required, obviously. Yeah, and it says to sew it on. It gives you even thing like back it with a piece of cloth behind the material, put some threads around there. Yeah, they get the little thing there, and how to put all that on the belt. Very, very cool. Very cool. Awesome. Bravo. Okay, so let's put these other parts away and put that aside for now. And just even the Velcro strap for it, that's nice. When you're not wearing your outfit, your jumpsuit, your cosplay, whatever you want to call, you could just tie her up and she'll store neatly in a little box out of the way. That's cool. And then, what do we have in here? Yet another little package. And the Royal Mail, they deliver. They do. It's not like douche post. They can never get anything anywhere. Let's try to change the pattern up a little. There we go. Whoa! Okay. Hope no one has seizure disorders. Look away now. A little more tape here. A little more tape. As Clark Griswold say, a lot of sap. A lot of sap. Oh, boy. Wow. Soft, foamy thing. This is the Keymaster 84 set. Designed apparently in conjunction with the Suffolk Ghostbusters. Not to be confused for the Essex Ghostbusters. We got some jokes there, I guess. At least I do have a British friend who... And we got the green business card. Yeah, so thank you, Suffolk Ghostbusters, for your taking part in this. And this... Damn! This is like legit packaging. That's impressive. So we've got a little fobby thing. Now, they apparently did a lot of research into this to come up with the right designs for these little bits. And see, one of these brown teardrop shape. I have photos on the website. They did a lot of research, a lot of screen research. Ectolabs X, the Suffolk Ghostbusters. I'm a little tired of the whole X thing being used for stuff, but in this case, it's appropriate, and I will allow it to slide. I will allow it to slide. That was funny. I don't know. I'm just happy they made this. So this, like the Cathmax, this set, I was stationed at my computer, extra beer on the side, ready to go, credit card out, F5 key being furiously tapped, and there's a little QR code, I guess, to find the product. Another Ectolabs X, and they use vegan leather. This thing, apparently vegan leather. I don't know what kind of oxymoron that is. It's like jumbo shrimp, but it's very nice, very stiff. Nice finish to it, nice grain. These D-rings are beautiful. But what do we have to compare them to? I just have some random stuff here from a fan site web shop, and I just grabbed some random things from there at some point when I was putting together a shopping cart of bits. So first, let's look at this one. So here's the Ectolabs, and here is the Ghostbuster fan site one. This one, I thought it was fine, and it is nice. It's solid, it's beefy, it's thick leather, it's well made. It's a good piece. But they did a lot of screen, a lot of pedantic research, which is always appreciated. And this is what Ectolabs came up with the Suffolk Ghostbusters. So, very nice. Okay, supposedly more screen accurate. And according to everything I've seen, this is, yes, more screen accurate. This will pass muster normally anywhere. only the most, OCD will pick it out and be like, oh, it's not supposed to be a satin finish, it's supposed to be chrome and blah, blah. Maybe. I don't know. So, Ectolabs and other place. And then we have this little doohickey, which I should have gotten two, apparently. This is the D-ring little loop. And this is fine, too. This is nice, beefy, thick. Good. This, you get two, and that's what we get. So the D-ring is a bit more of a sharp D, chrome instead of a satin finish. And, yeah, this has a little more leather grain. It's a little smoother. So, yeah, that's that one. Same goes for this one. And then we have this Mamma Jamma. Now, I have this thing. And this thing, I believe, is supposed to be equivalent of this thing without the extra D-ring. Without the extra, regular ring. So, to compare these two, this is where the differences get much more extreme, is they used a lot of screen captures. And let's change our pattern. There we go. Oh, is that solid lit? Oh, that's kind of cool. Sorry, everyone wants to see this thing, right? There we go. There's the rainbow butterfly slideshow. What do you call it? Yeah, whatever that thing is. So yeah, on the screen captures, it did show that the actual leather of this was not black. It was brown. They've got the teardrop more pronounced. Obviously the chrome instead of the nickel hardware. And you got this big thing, and all these latches work beautifully. So I'm not sure if this is one of these. I think you'd hook the Neutrona wands hook to when you're wearing, and these are just fine. I mean, honestly, there's nothing wrong with the fan site gift shop ones, but this is apparently the set to have, and I'm on the Facebook groups and I see. We're all excited when Ectolabs announces these things, and then, they announce it, and it's ready, it's going up for sale, and then obviously, I don't know how many people don't get it, what percentage that we do manage to get it. I have gigabit fiber internet and a Xeon workstation with massive amounts of RAM and a solid-state drive. I have a very fast computer and very fast internet, so I go through my checking account very, very quickly, because I generally get the order in. But yeah, a lot of people didn't get it, and they were very upset about that. And he's one guy, and I think he has like a day job. And the fact that he can make this stuff and make these things and make these things and produce, it's amazing. But like, have mercy on his soul. I mean, he's putting these things, he's making as many as he can. The whole Afterlife movie and everything else that happened just really blew the popularity of these things just through the roof. It's just insanity. Let's put these aside. Now, all those parts. Oh, no. All those other parts, they will not go to waste. If there is somebody watching this video that couldn't, they didn't make it into the sale without, before it was sold out, or they just, can't really afford it and they're putting together Ghostbusters cosplay, email me at pitstainhobbies@gmail.com. Make sure you're subscribed and that you like the video. Okay, subscribe and like. You can email me at pitstainhobbies@gmail.com, and I will send you that stuff. Okay? But you must tell me something. I don't know. I'm going to pick out some trivia thing. Yeah. Tell me what happened when I built this. Okay? And give me the correct answer. What happened when I built this? And you will get that leg hose and that little adapter and those little leather fobs. For free, gratis. I will pay shipping. U.S. mail, first class service. I'm not spending a fortune. But continental, United States only. U.S. only, please. I can't go mailing stuff for free to the U.K., Canada, Australia. I'd love to, but it's just too much. But again, yeah, I had a boo-boo when I was building this. One of the things is I was using tape to hold down the Sanyo thingy, and I peeled the Sanyo logo halfway off of it. So, customer service, Dave sent a replacement out for that. Lickety split. I love this thing. This is one of my favorite things, period. Not my favorite Ghostbusters thing. Just one of my favorite things ever. it's just so cool. I love it. I love it to death. It was great. So yeah, that's that. That's our unboxing, the Keymaster and the Cathmax. And I think anybody, I hate to break it to you, Dave, but you probably want to print some more stickers, because probably a lot of people are gonna want, like, can I get a Crunch sticker and a Got One sticker? And yeah, these are cool. So these are going right on the beer fridge down here in the garage, in a place of prominence and an honor. And yeah, our cosplay is gonna be on point. Once I get my fat ass over to the seamstress to sort out making that bag of potato suit fit me. But yeah, and thanks for the Suffolk Ghostbusters teaming up with Dave to make these things. And there we go. That's the unboxing. The Keymaster set, the Cathmax set. Everything's good. Everything's beautiful. My expected level of quality has been achieved once again. So there we go. Let's just, you know what? Here, do a little beauty shot. Dump these guys out. And at the end, and the Cathmax. Lovely. And we got the stickers showing. Beautiful. There we are. So look at this. This is all going to be on my jumpsuit at Dragon Con, hopefully, for 2023, if HasLab delivers on that Proton Pack. We have some doubts. Global shipping has been less than great lately. They just got that ship unstuck in the Chesapeake Bay near Virginia or Maryland or whatever it is. I think I had something on that ship, because something I pre-ordered from somewhere else related nothing to this is very delayed mysteriously, and we're not getting any straight answers out of the manufacturer's reps. But yeah, there we go. Awesome. Thanks, Gabe. 2 thumbs up. I'd do 3 thumbs up, but I'm not a ghost. Otherwise, you could just make all the thumbs you wanted. Or if I actually had other thumbs on my hands, that would be just creepy as hell. Somebody's got one. It's nothing. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't be ashamed of your extra thumbs. You thumbs up with pride. Everyone else, adios. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We love you, and we're going to show you more Ghostbusters stuff in the next Ghostbusters unboxing video. Bye-bye!